Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review video. I'm checking out this P6 Infinite View projector. So this has a couple of cool features here. Let's get this out of here. Obviously I'm going to be demonstrating this as well on the big screen. So we have this little projector in there, pretty small size here. Let's see. Okay, so let's get the little bag off of there. There we are. Very small and compact. We have HDMI hookups in the back, as well as a USB, headphones, a speaker jack with a plug-in right there. Okay. Got our instructions. Plug-in cord and the remote. So this features Wi-Fi 6 Smart Connect, Bluetooth 5.0, built-in speakers. Yeah, so it looks pretty sweet. I'm just gonna go take it in the bedroom. I have I think it's 100-inch, 120-inch, 100-inch screen, something like that. Anyways, let's go set this up and just see how the picture quality is, test out the sound and all that, and I'll give you final thoughts on this. All right, friends, so I have it set up here. I'm going to be shutting the curtain here in a second so we can see the light a little bit better. Obviously, with the projector, if you have a bright light in the house, so I got my thing there, the window, it's going to be a little dimmer. So a couple cool features I'm just going to touch on once we get done with all this, but the response of the remote, very nice. You don't have to have it pointed directly at it. We have a decent volume on here. Here we have like the Bluetooth projector, go to over to image, different modes there for like different, you set up your Bluetooth, just put your phone on there, got set up the Wi-Fi or whatever. Audio is decent, system reset, different functions like that. So let's check it out. We'll only shut the blinds here real quick. Okay, so there it is. We'll get rid of the menu here real quick. But just go back. So that's actually really good quality here. So, oh, here we go. That's really good quality. Let's turn up the speakers all the way. Decent sound too for the size of this projector. What's very cool about this also is that it automatically adjusts. Like if you bring the thing closer and if it's tilted, it automatically pretty much adjusts where it is. I'll try to demonstrate that as far as how close it is. So here it is right now, and it's at that angle. So if I take it and I adjust it, it will, let's see, if I move this up, it's automatically adjusting. So I'm tilting it down at an angle, and even though like a normal one, if you do this, it's going to, the keystone's going to be way off. It's going to tilt it a lot. And this one's just pretty much automatic. So that's a very nice feature there. This also has a mute button, so I can mute the sound. Let's see, the back button. Like I said, it's very responsive. Also has a mouse mode, so I can hit the mouse button mode on the remote. It switches over to mouse mode, and then it basically, then you can use the thing, use the pad to move the cursor around on that, so that's cool also. So really impressed with this, the system here, and how quickly, let's see, let's go back. So all the apps on there, you can add other apps, you can find more apps, whatever you want to do. Look how responsive this is. It's very quick. You know your app store, you can do your Miracast receiver, set that up, just stream right from your phone, plug in your whatever HDMI thing that you want to stream. It's got everything on here. Very responsive. Setup time was no problem. Got apps, we got the library, TV shows on here. Just look how quick this is though. It's really fast though. No like lagging and things like that. So everything plugged in nicely. It's got a little kickstand in the bottom of the thing right there. So that's at an angle. Very cool. And here it is. So we'll do the focus. When you see it's like really out of focus, it has the button here. So we can just hold that down and it adjusts rather quickly. So instead of having to press it each time, it slowly focuses or unfocuses until you get it right to the point that you want, and then you can let it off, and it's super clear. This is actually very nice. The sound is decent. I didn't hear any like popping or scratching on the volume, and it's actually quite loud. So very nice that you don't have to have an additional speaker too. Okay, my friends, so final thoughts on this P6 projector. It has a little kickstand here on the bottom. Also has this little screw on the bottom, so screw hole, so you can mount it on a tripod or whatever if you want to. Has these nice pads on the bottom, so it's not going to move around. I like how you don't really have to adjust the keystone much. No matter how you tilt this, it doesn't make it super wide at the top and narrow at the bottom. So that is really cool. The remote is very responsive, works great. You don't have to point it directly at there. The sound, very good sound. You can turn it up loud enough so you can hear. Other projectors I reviewed, sound quality not so great. These were the quality was well, and it was loud enough so you could hear. What else? I like the little mouse feature on the remote. That's kind of cool. We can just press that and use it as a mouse there. So it looks like they pretty much thought of everything with this little guy. You just plug in your power cord right here in the back, and it's got USB and a HDMI one, and also if you want to plug in a sound bar, it has a little audio thing, jack for that too. So small and compact, easy to use, very responsive. The app, the system on here, the Android system worked great. Very quick. There's no lag time switching through. I think it was like faster than my Fire Stick TV. Sometimes the Fire Stick lags. This did not, so I'm really impressed with that. Download the YouTube app on there. It went quickly. Everything was perfect. One real quick thing I will note, I did plug in my Fire Stick in here and tried to power it with this USB. It had enough juice to start it up, and then it was kick off. So a little bit, I think the USB, it's an upgrade one because it's a 4K Fire Stick. So other than that, minor setback, no issues there. If I were to run this, definitely just use the app system on there. It worked great. It's connected to my Wi-Fi instantly. The menu on there is very intuitive. Just really impressed. A great little projector, my friends. Excellent video and sound quality. Thanks so much for watching this review. I hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day out there, and I'll see you all next time.